How to log in into NatWest Bank online banking account. Let's get started. To log into your NatWest online banking account, you can use the app or also you can use the browser version. For now, I will be using browser version, so open your preferred browser. Now type in natwest.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of NatWest Bank. Now at the top left, you will find the option of login. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. First, you will need to choose if you want to use customer number or card number to log into your account. Once you select the option, type in your card number or customer number. If you want to save your customer number or card number, you can check in for this option of Remember Me. Once you fill this, click on the option of Continue, and in the next page, you will need to type in your password. Once you type in your password, click on Done, and with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your online banking, then you can click on this option of Sign Up here and do that. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into NatWest Bank online banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.